Take your time.
Yeah, I'm talking about.
Alright, if you've already gone, you need to respect the people that are going or need to go.
Hey, wasn't it my turn? Oh! It's our turn.
Okay.
Yay.
Let's see. Team 2. So that's you guys, right?
Just 9 trick. 9 trick. 9 trick.
Oh, that one's 50.
9 trick. That's a good one. 9 trick. Let's all try that one in just a second. Don't do anything up here. 9 trick. 9 times 6. 54. It confuses you?
I just used my
I still sometimes use that. Don't tell me.
Oh my gosh, I got.
Alright, go for it. Can you shoot it?
Yeah. Come on, Aiden.
You can do that.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Oh, that was great. Alright, team 1.
oh my gosh.
Alright, if you've already gone, please sit down at a chair just near you. It doesn't have to be your chair exactly, just a chair.
If you're done, if you've already
If you've already gone, sit down, please. Any chair.
Oh, dang it.
He's out in the round. Oh,
That was right on.
Yes!
a bit
A bit lucky there.
Whoa. Guess what, guys?
Who's up? Are we talking about it? Help your group out.
Yeah.
42. 42.
6 and 7 went to 11 when they came back that
What do you choose to do, Jaden?
Oh, you got the green. Oh.
That's okay. You still got another chance.
No.
Oh, you were close. You were really close.
Take your turn, take your time. Don't take your time.
Alright, help out your group.
That's easy. Who covered up my name?
Yes.
Oh, oh my gosh. I've actually made it. Yeah. You need to take. Oh, it's time.
It's 2. Mason.
That's guy. Hey, Floyd. I'm Harry.
Nice.
Yeah!
Mason, you won this thing.
Alright, you guys also need to go, right? Okay.
Come on.
Can you
Come on,
put one of these papers at each person's spot? He's got him. He's got him. Someone else can help.
Yes! Yes! Tie.
Tie game. Alright, let's see.
Come on. Who's up for us?
Aubrey.
Okay, guys, it's going to be a tiebreaker. I know.
Why are you at?
There you go.
You guys have one chance, actually.
Alright.
Megan, tie it. Come on, Megan. Tie it.
Come on, Megan.
Yeah! How did that happen? We don't need to get shot.
Pressure's on.
Come on, you can make this. Hey, the worst you can do is miss.
Alright, are the rest of the people on the team paying attention? Oh!
Yeah, it's a
That was exciting. That's okay, we'll go one more time. Just so that everyone gets to go. No. Everyone, no, sorry. We're going to go. Just the people who haven't gone are going to go. Because we got a lot to do. Well, that's okay. Who else is on your guys' team? 2 of you? Okay, you're up as well.
Me?
Yep, so it's 2-2.
Oh, first, me?
Alright. Everyone else, can you find your seats, please? Thank you. Yep, David.
Yeah! Very. All that was
Here,
Alright, your team needs your help. Team 1. Or team 2.
Yes.
There we go.
She chose me to go again.
Yeah, she had to go again because we had uneven teams.
Get a game.
Nice.
She's on our team.
Popcorn. Oh, wait. Good job.
She's on our team.
Alright, last 2. Make sure we're paying attention. Ladies in the back, Your team might need your help.
Candy corn popcorn.
Yes.
Candy corn popcorn.
Yeah!
Come on,
Maddie.
Look, yo, Maddie popcorn and Nikki
Popcorn.
Maddie's on our team.
Come on, you got this. You got this.
All right, everyone else sit down, please. You can do it.
Just do it.
Yes.
Maddie, you're getting faster.
Oh, that's okay. Hey, nice job. Everyone did great.
Good job, Maddie. Nice job, Maddie.
All right, so does everyone in front of them have a grid paper?
Where's my chair?
Everyone has one?
Yeah.
Everyone has a chair?
I don't have a green paper.
You don't have a grid paper? Oh, you found it? All right, so our first problem is going to be, let me see, let's see if I can find which one we decided on.
I need a pencil.
Okay, everyone have a pencil?
I'm a graph maker.
We need some kind of pencil. Find a pencil. When you have found a pencil and you are ready, put your hands on your head.
No, I don't. This is a pen.
Rogan. No, I'm not. It says Rogan Smith on it.
We're losing our pen.
No, it says Roy.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the problem we're going to do is, can I borrow one of your guys' whiteboard markers?
Yes. Well, take
Whoops.
this one. Take
Thank
this
you.
one. It's really good.
Okay. I trust you. Trade you.
Why don't you take this one? This one's even better.
Okay.
Yeah.
32
Oh, you took that.
divided by, did I take the wrong one? Okay. 8. So one way we're going to do this is with our grid paper. So remember how we were doing multiplication? So let's look at the 8 right here. So 8 times something is going to equal 32. If you know it, please don't say it out loud. Just think it in your head for right now. So one way we're going to do this is our grid paper. Everyone have the grid paper in front of them?
Yeah.
I'm going to use this a little bigger. Sorry, you guys, grid paper's a little small.
We have
But
there.
Yeah, we
Do
have
you?
a bunch of
Big.
them.
Big.
that's okay. We'll try to use this and see if it works. So first you're going to shade 8 squares. I want everyone to shade in 8 squares. Everyone have 8 squares shaded in?
Does it matter how you do it?
It needs to be in one line.
Oh.
Sorry everyone, I should have said that before. Your 8 squares need to be all together like I have it, or you can do it this way, but it needs to be either horizontal or vertical, which means either all up and down or all side to side.
Everybody's like, all the boys are like, oh.
I know, I should have been more specific. Okay, now how do you think in your heads please, how do you think we could get to 32 by doing this, by keep shading? Does that make sense? How can you get 32 squares shaded in? Not doing it one by dividing. Share with your table. I'm hearing a lot of people say go by 8s. So top of your table, go by 8s how? In lines, in lines. Alright, now top of your table and tell me how many more of these 8 lines would you need to make 32?
32.
4 more. No, 3 more. 3.
Can you do it on your paper, please? Show me on your paper. Can you also put your names on top of your paper as well, please? Alright, I'm going to give you a couple more seconds to fill it in, so make sure you have it filled in. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Can it be spaced out?
I want you to fill in 4 groups of 8 that are all together.
I don't get it.
Do you understand? Okay, so we have 1 group of 8. I want you to do 3 more groups of 8, but they all need to be connecting. So if I were to do it, it would be all the way to here, all the way down, and all the way. Right?
Like this? Did you say this?
Yep, that's right. Okay, will you come to the board and color in the rest of mine? Show us how you did it, please. Now, while she's doing that, I want everyone to think how this could be a multiplication problem. How would you say this? So multiplication, for example, 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so now, how would you do this one? You have 8
times blank
groups, or you have 4 groups of
8 times 4.
No, you can just scribble if you want. Okay, we're going to talk with our tables about this right when she's done. And then on your paper, I want you to write the multiplication sentence for this, which would be what we talked about. Don't say it out loud. There we go. Okay, in your tables, can you discuss the multiplication, what it would be, what the problem would be? And then can you write it by your box, please?
The bigger number.
Doesn't matter what way it
We can go the other way. 4 times 8. 32 divided by 8.
Do you write in boxes? Nope.
You can if you want. You can write by it. It doesn't have to be in the boxes. I like that I heard this table. They said that it doesn't matter which way you say it. Either 8 times 4, 4 times 8. I heard that. I have like sonic ears. Isn't that amazing? No, I'm just teasing.
You're just nosy.
I'm just nosy.
Nosy.
I like that Morgan, she wrote out on the table. The awesome thing about your guys' tables is you can write on them, which you know. And I like that some of the students are actually writing out the problem on the board and the grid
See,
to
I'm
see
better
it.
without doing grid. I'm better doing making like a picture.
A picture. Okay.
Like
So let's try a picture next. Okay.
First picture.
Oh, okay. Let's see. So on your boards, everyone, can you find one of your markers, please, or on your tables?
I've been
Come up with... You don't have any markers? Oh, there's one on the ground.
We have one.
You have an extra one?
You're good.
We need
You're good?
2 more. I need 1.
Alright, let's jump back to this problem quick because we need to write it as division now because we're trying to learn division is the main goal here. So if you have... Wow, you've got it down. Do you want to explain what you wrote down here? You did the fact families? Okay, so she has 8 times 4 equals 32. Then she has 4 times 8 equals 32. So now she wrote it in division. 32 times 4 equals, class? 8. And then she has 32 divided by 8 equals 4. So that's awesome. I'd like to see that. Within your tables, can you come up with a problem? Write it down on your table. Let's see. You can either write it with a picture or you can use your graph paper, whichever one you guys like. And then we're going to present them in, let's say, 4 minutes. Deal? So you need to come up with a problem like we did on the board. So let's say you came up with 2 times 4 equals 8. And then you can write the fact families. So then you can do 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Or 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And then I want to see a picture of how you did it. So you can either use your grid paper that I gave you, or you can draw your own fun picture. There you go. You need to think with your table, though. I want all your tables to be talking and thinking together. So just the table. You guys have the same table? You're chatting right now. Yep, I want all your table. Your table needs to make it together, please. So you need to think of one problem. That's a really good idea. Maybe.